Well, maybe this. Oh, wait. It said failed attempt.
Are you lockpicking that?
Yeah. Wait, Tony. I think I might have.
Wait, what the fuck?
Oh my God. I'm trolling him. I'm
Hold
wasting.
on.
Wait. You just gotta. Tony, I'm in. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I was wasting lockpicks to mess with you.
Troll. Oh my god.
What do you? So you know the poopy lockpicks from jail, right? You can use them anywhere, anytime, and it looks like you're lockpicking. It's hilarious. Oh God. Tony,
Asshole. I thought you just like unlocked some fuck. Oh my god.
it was a good one. It was a good one, wasn't it?
So good. This guy walked up to the locked door and started lockpicking it with the ass lock.